Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can measure your bags on Momondo. But first I wanted to tell you that don't forget to subscribe, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my YouTube revenue statistics and my growth strategy, how you can make money online. So after opening the app, if you scroll down on the home page, you should see the measure your bag option. So you have 3 steps. Prepare for takeoff. Place your bag in a well lit and open space. Then scan your bag. Scan the top and sides of the bag to measure it. And then we do the math. See if your bag fits cabin baggage requirements. So this option is really great, because if you do not have a tool to measure your bag, this app will give you the possibility, and in this way for sure your bag will fit the cabin baggage requirements. So I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.